Marcano Studios. Hey kids, welcome to the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series. Are you ready to talk about some sound effects?
Yeah!
Great, let's go. We are gonna talk about some sound effects together. Some sound effects are fetish and some sound effects are normal. Let's get going. Some sounds are short, which is Mizuna's peeing sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Ella the One's pooping sound effect. And some sound effects are very long, which is Aria's 2-minute farting sound effect. Sound effects are everywhere. Sound effects are all over the place. Let's talk about sound effects.
And today's talking about sound effect is the pooping sound effect from Ella the One. Hello guys, it's me, IRL Noella. Today, I will talk about the pooping sound effect from Ella the One. It's from a video called Diarrhea by BFF, Part 1. That video was uploaded 9 months ago on December 1st, 2024. The duration of the sound effect is 126 to 212. The total seconds from the video are 46. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Here's what it sounds like. See? That's what it sounds like. This sound effect is used for my characters, OCs, especially Marco Vieri when they poop in the toilet. It's also used for my Number Blocks characters too. Remember kids, if you want to use that sound effect, use it in your videos, but be sure to give credit to Ella the One before using her sound effect. Also, I will link this video right here and it will be in the description. The sound effect starts at 126 and ends at 212. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay? And I will see you later in the next episode.